An effective way to quickly sum up data is using the Autosum shortcut key, Alt equals. Instead of using the Autosum button in the toolbar, we can press Alt equals to achieve the same result. There are two ways we can do this. If we look at the data here under January, if I automatically go into the blank cell underneath that data and press Alt equals, it'll automatically sum the data that's above it. Likewise, if I simply select the data and press Alt equals, it'll automatically create the sum underneath the data I want summed. This also works for data that is horizontal. So here, if I go to the total column in column E and press Alt equals, the same result can be achieved. And again, if I select the data, it'll automatically create the sum in the column right of the data I've selected. So this is a very effective and quick way to sum up data. Very quickly.